Hi friends, welcome back to VPN Lab. Today I've got something crazy for you, the biggest NordVPN discount out there. I've already dropped the special link in the description. Just hit that link and you're good to go. No coupon code needed, it's all set up for you. And the best part, you'll also get an Amazon gift card or some other free bonus along with it. When you click on Get NordVPN, you'll see 4 different plans. The first one is just the regular VPN. But honestly, if you throw in a little extra and grab the second plan, you'll unlock a bunch of powerful extra features. That's why I recommend going with the Plus plan. As soon as you click it, you'll be taken to the checkout page. Discount already applied through my link, so you don't have to stress about anything. Just fill in your details and you're set. But listen, bros, if you don't use the link in my description, you won't get this exact special deal. So, don't miss out. And if this video helped you out, do me a solid. Smash that like button, subscribe to VPN Lab, and share this with your friends so they can grab the deal too. Let's stay secure online, together.